Murigo wa kilo 190 cia miguongo ya huria na tani 10 cia miguongo ya njogu gwitwika nio marageragia gucingeria bururi-ini ucio.
Ahmed and Saleh for their alleged involvement in an international organized criminal network that trafficked wildlife from Africa and sought to traffic illicit drugs to the United States.
One of the suspects, Badru Abdulaziz Saleh, was arrested in Kenya at Busia Bonda Point by the DCI detective on June 11th, the year 2019. He was then transported to Nairobi and later arraigned before Jomo Kenyatta International Airport through court. On July 12th of the year 2019, same suspect, Bandru, was granted a bail of only 200 Kenya shillings.
Kurerikana eria cio magwemaga miguongo kuma mabũrũri ma Afrika makimitwaraga bũrũri wa Amerika magereirie gicukiro kia Mombasa. Ngiribotera iNooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.